We all know that Earth is the only planet in our solar system where life exists officially. There is a wide variety of organisms which formed life on Earth. But why only on Earth? You might also have heard that Mars, Venus, and some moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Titan of Saturn, Europa of Jupiter, etc., have the capability to hold life. But why does life won't exist there? Before we dive into that, we should know properly, why does life exist only on Earth? You probably know that our planet has a thick atmosphere, and also water is present which supports life. You're right, but there are many other reasons. The reasons are pressure, magnetic field, essential minerals and compounds, proper heat, change in climate and water cycle, and most importantly, the Goldilocks zone. Goldilocks zone is a region around the star where water exists in the form of liquid and vapor at the same time. And different stars have different regions according to their luminous intensity. The geomagnetic portion, also known as magnetosphere, protects us from strong solar radiations which are fatal for life. While protecting from these harmful radiations, they form a beautiful and spectacular phenomenon known as aurora borealis, or northern lights. We should be thankful to our Mother Earth for such good care for all organisms, and it's our responsibility to take care of our planet. For formation of life, the basic compounds and elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, silicon, phosphorus, and many such other compounds required to form basic amino acids and other organic compounds, which is proved by Urey and Miller's experiment. And now, finally, time comes to understand why life won't exist on the other planets. Let's begin with our Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Mercury is the closest to the Sun, its surface temperature is up to 430 degrees Celsius. But the temperature of Venus is as high as 464 degrees Celsius. It is because the atmosphere is made of SO2 and other greenhouse gases which make the atmosphere so dense, which makes it to trap all the heat and sunlight, which makes it hot as hell. Water rains on Earth. But in Venus, things are different. Because there, the rain is concentrated sulfuric acid. If you start to dance in rain on Venus while raining, God only knows what happens with you. And one day in Venus is equal to 243 days on Earth. And now, you probably gotta know why life can't exist on that planet. Now, let's see what's wrong with Mars. Even though it is present in Goldilocks zone, it doesn't have any life because there is no atmosphere and magnetic field, which makes it very cool, and no sunlight gets trapped enough to start the water cycle and life, and even all solar radiations directly contact with its surface. The temperature goes from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 153 degrees Celsius, which makes it not suitable for living. Many researchers believe that life was existing on Mars around 3 billion years ago. Well, there is no evidence till now, and even I don't believe it. But maybe in the future we can live there. Now, look at the fourth largest moon of our gas giant, the Europa. Now let's see its features. It is almost 1/4 of diameter of Earth. An interesting thing is, it is almost made of water. It is made of a thin atmosphere made up nitrogen, methane, and argon. But still, why life won't exist there? Because Jupiter emits lots of radiation by itself, which makes Europa not a suitable place to live. Well, its temperature ranges from minus 128 degrees to minus 223 degrees Celsius. And we saw billions of stars and billions of planets, but none is more suitable than Earth. This shows that life is very rare, and every form of life is more precious than the jewel you wear. and the intelligent life is still rare or very, very close to zero.